Qtile and Hyprland both offer great tiling experiences, but they speak two different languages, literally. Qtile is Python-based. That means our entire configuration is a Python script, and we can extend it with Python's full power. If for programmers or automation fans, that's a dream come true. We can make our desktop do exactly what we want. No limits. Hyprland, on the other hand, is more about visual polish and Wayland native performance. It doesn't require programming knowledge. We just pick a config file. And it's built to look amazing from day one, with smooth transitions, rounded corners, and modern display handling. If we want deep coding customization, Qtile wins. But if we want something that's already gorgeous and runs beautifully in Wayland, Hyprland might be the better daily driver. It's really a choice between code-driven power and design-first usability.
This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.